For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Delhi opened its borders with Uttar Pradesh and Haryana from Monday. The borders are open only for economic activities. Traffic was piled up on Delhi-Noida direct flyway as there was confusion regarding the interstate travel. Commuters complained about travelling from Noida to Delhi, alleged that police were asking them for travel passes and not allowing them to cross the border.
आ रहे थे पालम से दिल्ली पालम से और ये जाना है हमें सेक्टर 63 नोएडा में।
किस काम के लिए आप नोएडा?
ये ऑफिस के लिए ऑफिस नहीं आप मेरे को 1.5 हफ्ता पिछले 28 तारीख से जा रहा हूँ मैं। आज इन्होंने पास मांगा है और पास कह रहे पास ले गया हो नहीं ये मौका ही नहीं दिया इन्होंने वापस मोड़ दिया कह रहे पास चेक कराओ आप और जब जाओगे आगे तो हमें पास है नहीं तो हम जा नहीं रहे जाओ वापस आप कर दिया इन्होंने।
Another commuter who works in Noida said that police were forcing them to go home.
मैं आया सापुजर खिलगांव से आया तो नोएडा जाना है बीएचएल ऑफिस में काम करता हूँ अटेंडेंट में। नहीं उससे पिछले बार गया था आज ही रुका है आज जाने नहीं दे रहा। पास कुछ नहीं मांगा था आज कुछ बोला ही नहीं जाने भी नहीं दे रहा ऐसे बोला घूमो भागो यहाँ से जाने ही नहीं दे रहा।
One of the commuters alleged that police were not allowing people with travel passes as well.
हम ये बीएचईएल नोएडा में जॉब करते हैं और दिल्ली से आना जाना है हमारा डेली। ये बॉर्डर है डीएनडी का पर हम बीच में भी आए हैं ऑफिस तो आने दे रहे थे अब आज से फिर हमको रोक दिया पता नहीं क्यों। इससे पहले तो कोई रोकता ही नहीं था ना पास मांगते थे आज से ही आज हमसे पास भी नहीं देखा जो पास भी दिखा रहा उसको ही भगा रहे हैं और जो नहीं दिखा रहा उसको ही भगा रहे हैं सबको वापस भेज दिया।
Commuters took to Twitter and tagged officials and requested them to resolve the issue. Dear sir, at border of Noida, Delhi police demanding pass when government has allowed to enter border without pass and barricade also not removed. Lots of people facing this kind of problem. They couldn't go to work. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that hospital beds have been reserved only to treat COVID-19 patients of Delhi. Their decision has been taken as Delhi is facing shortage beds to treat COVID-19 patients. Over 90% of people want Delhi hospitals to treat patients from the national capital during the coronavirus pandemic. Hence, it has been decided that government and private hospitals in Delhi will only treat patients from the national capital. Speaking about the shortage of hospital beds in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal said that hotels and banquets would also be turned into hospitals. The borders of Delhi with UP and Haryana will open from Monday. Malls and restaurants and religious places will open too following the central government's guidelines. Hotels and banquets will remain closed as we might need them to convert them into hospitals in the coming time. Delhi has reported over 28,936 COVID-19 cases and 812 COVID-19 deaths as of Sunday. Over 1,000 cases have been reported during the last 7 days.